Gandhi again and again raising question on the government of India regarding the border issue, being it at the China or being it at the other borders areas. But yes, now today a letter has been written naming Rahul Gandhi, the former president of the Congress party, about his lack of knowledge regarding the things at the borders, and also stating about the work that has been done by the previous government and what exactly is the thing. So if we talk about this group, then this include retired lieutenant generals and generals. Right now, I am with Lieutenant General V.K. Chaturvedi, who is one of them who has written the letter. We'll try and understand what exactly the subject and what exactly they want to say in this very letter. Sir, you guys have written the letter. We have seen retired lieutenant generals, you including there. So what exactly is the message and what exactly you want to state in that particular letter?
Basically, we were quite perturbed by the happenings in the last 4-5 days, where every day there used to be either a tweet or a letter or a statement asking about the situation on the LAC, that is in Ladakh. Every one of us is aware what is happening, and I have no doubt the people in opposition parties, they are equally well aware, if not more than me. Despite that, by design, they have been raking up issues which definitely are not in the national interest, which are against the national security of the country. And therefore, we decided, as a concerned citizen of our country, to write this letter. It was basically to send a message not only to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, but across the board to all opposition parties and every right-thinking Indian, that these are things of utmost confidentiality, national security issues are involved, and everything cannot be shared on minute-to-minute basis with the masses. As long as our Home Minister and Defence Minister have given some very categoric statements stating that the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the country is paramount, and there will be no compromise as far as our territorial integrity and sovereignty is concerned. And therefore, this should be enough for anybody to understand how serious the government is taking this issue.
So you guys have written in the letter about the lack of knowledge when we talk about Rahul Gandhi. And we are seeing it that this has become the habit of the Congress party to again and again raise question on our forces, on the government of India. We do understand this is an opposition party, but on our forces also sometimes their leader calling Gali Ka Gunda to the army chief. So these kind of things is happening, and today in the morning only, Rahul Gandhi has made in a tweet and asked where the Prime Minister is about the China things which is going on. So lack of knowledge you stated. How do you elaborate?
I'll elaborate on that. It's extremely sad because every one of us is an Indian and we have the interest of our country uppermost in our mind. It's basically because of the lack of knowledge that such issues are raised.